Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about De Moivre's theorem. So students, today class also I will take only 30 minutes, students. From Monday onwards I will take up to 50 minutes. So we are right now very busy with the outgoing seniors. Okay students, please understand me. So dear students, the exam syllabus up to today class, complex numbers and De Moivre's theorem up to today class. Okay students. So dear students, all of you must follow the exam syllabus is the complete complex numbers and up to today class. Okay students. Right now, if x equal to cis alpha and y equal to cis beta, then find the value of x power 4 y cube plus 1 by x power 4 y cube xy plus 1 by xy. So students, x power 4 y cube. This is the students cis power 4 alpha cis cube beta. X power 4, that is cis power 4 alpha, y cube is cis cube beta. This is the students we can written as cis of 4 alpha. Cis of 3 into beta is the 3 beta. Cis 4 alpha into cis of 3 beta. After that student, cis A into cis B. Cis A into cis B, cis of A plus B. So cis of 4 alpha plus 3 beta. So now students, this is cos 4 alpha plus 3 beta plus I sin 4 alpha plus 3 beta. What is the students we can written as x power 4 plus y cube is cis 4 alpha cis cube beta, 4 into alpha 4 alpha, 3 into beta 3 beta, cis A into cis B, cis of A plus B. After that students, we have to find 1 by x power 4 1 by x cube. So this is the students 1 upon is there, cos of 4 alpha plus 3 beta plus I sin 4 alpha plus 3 beta. So students, this is 1 upon cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta is the students, when we are taking the rationalization, cos of 4 alpha plus 3 beta minus of I sin of 4 alpha plus 3 beta upon cos of 4 alpha plus 3 beta minus I sin 4 alpha plus 3 beta. This is the students we can written as 1 by x power 4 y cube. That equal to, what is that students? What we observed here, this is cos of 4 alpha plus 3 beta minus I sin of 4 alpha plus 3 beta whole by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, a square plus b square. A square plus b square. This is the students, a square is cos square beta, that is the students cos square of 4 alpha plus 3 beta. I square is the minus 1 minus of minus plus. This is the sin square of 4 alpha plus 3 beta. So students, cos square beta plus sin square theta is the 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is the 1. So students, we can written as cos 4 alpha plus 3 beta minus I sin 4 alpha plus 3 beta. This will be taken to, this is 1. Okay students, this is the 1, this will be 2. So students, 1 plus 2, that implies x power 4 plus y cube, 1 by x power 4 y cube equal to, now students, plus I sin 3 of 4 alpha plus 3 beta minus of I sin 4 alpha plus 3 beta cancel. Cos plus cos is 2 cos 4 alpha plus 3 beta. Okay students, cos plus cos, this is cos of 4 alpha plus 3 beta, this is also cos of 4 alpha plus 3 beta, these two are cancelled. Cos plus cos is the students 2 cos of 4 alpha plus 3 beta. This is the first one. Okay students, now students, the second question is there, x y, the value of x y by 1 by x y. X is cis alpha, y is cis of beta, cis A into cis B, that is cis of alpha plus beta, cis A into cis B, cis of A plus B. After that students, 1 by xy, 1 by cis of alpha plus beta. Okay students, now this is 1 by can be written as cis of minus of alpha plus beta, 1 by cis of alpha plus beta, that is cis of minus of alpha plus beta. So students, how can you write the value of 1 xy plus 1 by xy? So students, that is xy plus 1 by xy. Xy is cis of alpha plus beta, 1 by xy is cis of minus of alpha plus beta. So students, the cis means cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta, I sin of alpha plus beta. After that students, the cis of minus of alpha plus beta is cos of alpha plus beta minus I sin of alpha plus beta. These two are cancelled students. Cos plus cos, cos plus cos is the students 2 cos, 2 cos of alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha plus beta is the students 2 cos of alpha plus beta. Okay students, my dear students, now the second question, cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole power 4, sin beta plus I cos beta whole power 8. So students, we have to know that cos theta I sin theta whole power n, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, that is the students cos of n theta I sin n theta, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So students, so here this is cos alpha I sin alpha whole power 4 upon sin of beta I cos beta whole power 8. So the real part is the cos, imaginary part is the sin. But here the denominator is there, real part is sin and imaginary part is the cos. So students, how can you write the student? This is 6 power 4 alpha cos alpha plus I sin alpha, that is 6 alpha whole power 4 is there. So student, first we take the common is the I. Since the cos is the always real part, we have to know the formula about De Moivre's theorem. If the cos is real, sin is imaginary, then cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So students, I into cos beta, I cos beta. This is the minus I into I square. I into I square. I square is the minus. Minus of minus plus. So student, this is sin of beta whole power 8. This is also I power 8. Now students, this can be written as 4 into alpha 4 alpha upon I power 8 is the I square whole power 4. I square is the minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 4 is the plus. After that students, this is cos 8 beta. Cos of 8 beta minus I sin 8 beta. Cos 8 beta minus I sin 8 beta. Now student, this is cos 4 alpha. This is the I square is the minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 4 is the plus. This can be written as 6 of minus 8 beta. 6 of minus 8 beta. 6a by 6b. 6a by 6b. 6 of a minus b. This is the students 6a by 6b. 6 of a minus b. That is 4 alpha plus 8 beta. 6a by 6b. 6 of a minus b. A minus b is the 4 alpha plus 8 beta. Okay students, this is the solution. Cos of 4 alpha plus 8 beta plus I sin of 4 alpha plus 8 beta. Write down students. Now students, so students, find the value of 1 plus I whole power 16. 1 plus I whole power 16. Now students, first we find the modulus. First of all, we have to find the modulus. So students, the modulus is the students r equal to root of a square plus b square, that is 1 plus 1. This is the root of 2. After that students, the 1 plus I whole power 16 is there. First we can write this is in the polar form. So student, this is root 2. 1 upon root 2. I by root 2. Whole power is there 16. We can also written as the students students, this is root is the 1 by 2. 16 by 2 is the 8. After that students, 1 by root 2 is the value of cos pi by 4. I sin pi by 4 whole power 16 is there. Okay students, from the De Moivre's theorem, 2 power 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 times, that is 256. After that students, from the De Moivre's theorem, cos theta, we have to know that cos of theta, I sin theta whole power n. This is the students cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. This is the students cos of 16 pi by 4 is the 4 pi. I sin 16 pi by 4, that is the students I sin 4 pi. So 16 pi by 4 is the 4 pi. 16 pi by 4 is the 4 pi. So students, this is 256. Cos even pi is the 1, sin n pi value is the 0. We know that sin 0, sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, sin n pi, where n is an integer, then it will be 0. But cos 0 1, cos pi minus 1, cos 2 pi 1, cos of even pi is 1, cos of odd multiple of pi equal to minus 1. So this is the students 256. What is the students? 256 is the answer. Write down students. My dear students, we have to know that 1 comma omega square are the cube root of unity. Then 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube equal to 1. So students, this is, we know that cube root of unity. Okay students, we'll take x, that is the students cubing on both sides, that is 1 equal to x cube minus 1 equal to 0. This is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. First you can write cube root of unity will be the x. Cubing on both sides, 1 equal to x cube. This is x cube minus 1. So students, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So student, this is x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. After that students, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So students, x equal to minus 1 plus or minus, what is the students? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 1 plus or minus 3i. So minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 3i by 2. So students, omega equal to minus 1 plus root 3i by 2. Omega square is minus 1 minus of root 3i by 2. Omega is minus 1 plus root 3i by 2. Omega square is minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. So students, First we find 1 plus omega square. This is the students 1 plus omega is minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2. After then minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. So these two are cancelled. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is the minus 1. This is 0. After then students omega cube is omega square into omega. Omega square is this one. Minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2 minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2. So students a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. What is the students? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. That is minus 1 whole square minus root 3I whole square by 2 into 2 is the 4. After that students 1 I square is the minus 1 minus minus plus upon 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is the 1. Omega cube is also, what is the students? 1. 1 plus omega square is 0. So students, right now we have to find the sum or results. Omega comma 1 comma omega square are the cube root of unity. Then find the value of students 2 minus omega square 2 minus omega power 10 2 minus omega power 11 equal to. So students, we know that 1 comma omega square are the cube root of unity. Just now we saw that 1 plus omega square is the 0 and omega cube is the 1. So students, how can you write this is? We know that omega cube equal to 1 plus omega square is the 0. So omega power 10 omega cube whole cube into omega cube 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is the 10. So student, this is omega cube is the 1 cube is the 1, that is omega. After that student omega power 11 omega cube whole cube into omega square, that is the students omega square. Now students 2 minus omega square 2 minus omega power 10 2 minus omega power 11. This is the students 2 minus omega square. Omega power 10 is the students omega power 11 is the students omega square. Now students, this is 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega. So that is the students 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega square into 2 minus omega square is 2 minus omega square whole square. So a square b square minus 2ab, a square b square minus 2ab. After that student, this is a square b square is the omega power 4 minus 2ab is the minus 2 omega square. So students, here what we observe students, this is 4 plus omega square minus 4 omega So student, this is omega power 4 is the students omega cube into omega, that is also omega minus 2 omega square. How to write the student? This is a square b square minus 2ab, a square b square minus 2ab. Now students, omega power 4 is the omega cube into omega, that is also omega. Now students, the multiplication with 4 into 4 16, this is 4 omega square minus 16 omega. Okay students, now multiple with 4, this is 16, 4 omega square minus 16 omega. After that students, we have to multiple with omega, that is the students 4 omega square. What is the students? How to write 4 omega? After that students, omega into this one, omega cube is the 1, omega into omega square, omega cube is the 1, minus 4 omega square. Now this is multiple with minus 2 omega square, 4 2s are minus 8 omega square, minus 2 omega square into omega square, omega power 4, omega power 4 is the omega, this is the plus 8, omega cube is the 1. Okay students, now this is minus of 8 omega square, omega power 4 is the omega, finally this is the 8. Now students, this can be written as 16 plus 1, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 1, that is 25. Omega square, 4 omega square minus 4 omega square cancel. After that students, here is there minus 8 omega square is there. So students, what we observe the students, here minus 16 omega is there, here this is 4 omega is there, this is minus 2 omega is there. So students, we can written as, how to write this is 16 minus 2, 16 minus 16, this is 18, minus 18 plus 4, minus 14 omega. What is the students? Minus of 14 omega. Now students, this is we can written as so students, omega power 10 is omega cube whole cube, that is omega, this is omega cube whole cube, 9 plus 2 11, this is the 1. So omega power 10 is omega power 11 is omega square. So these two are there, 2 minus omega whole square. So this is first and second and last, 2 minus omega square whole square, a square b square minus 2ab, 4 plus omega square minus 2ab, 4 omega, a square is the 4, b square is omega power 4 minus 2ab, this is the students minus 2ab. Okay students, minus 2ab is the minus 4 omega square. After that students, 1 minute students, 4 plus omega square minus 4 omega, 4 plus omega power 4 is omega cube into omega, this is the students omega minus 4 omega square. Now students, first we have to multiply with 4, 4 into 4 16, 4 into omega square, 4 omega square, 4 4 is the 16 omega. After that students, multiply with omega, 4 into omega, 4 omega, omega into omega square, omega cube, minus 4 omega into omega, omega square. After that student, this is minus 16 omega square, this is omega power 4, omega square into, what is the students, minus 4 into 4 16 omega square, minus 4 omega power 4. that is plus 4 into 4 16 omega cube. After that students 16, first you can write 16. So the square terms are there here, this is and this one, these two are cancelled. So the another one is the students is there minus of 16 omega square. Now students, this is minus 16 plus 40 plus 4, that is minus 12 omega. Minus 12 omega. So students, omega cube is the 1. So dear students, after that this is our student minus 16 omega square. Now student, this is minus 4 omega power 4 is the omega. So this is the students 16. Now 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 1 is the 33. So students, this is minus of 16 omega square is there. Here this is the students minus 16 omega. How to write the students? This is 16 plus 16 is the 32. 32 plus 1 is the 33. Therefore student, minus 16 omega square minus 12 omega minus 4 omega minus 16 omega. So students, that is 33 minus 16 is the common, omega square plus omega. 33 minus 16 into minus 1. Omega square plus omega is the minus of 1. So this is the minus 1. So students, 33 plus 16 is the students 49. 33 plus 16 is the students 49. So this is the value 49. Okay students. One and omega square are the cube root of unity. Then find the roots x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. X minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. Dear students, we have to know that omega cube is the 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Dear students, the x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. X minus 1 whole cube minus 8. This is the students x minus 1 whole cube. How to write this is the students? We can written as minus 8 into 1. So students, now this is x minus 1 minus 2 whole cube 1 cube. This is the students x minus 1 into cube and cube root are cancelled. So that is the students minus 2. Cube root of unity are the 1 comma omega square. What is the students? The minus 8 into 1. This is minus 8 whole cube. This is also 1 cube. Cube is sending other side. Cube root and 3 cancel. Cube root of unity are the 1 omega square. So students, the roots of the equation is x minus 1 equal to the first one minus 2 omega square. So when this is sending other side, cube root of cube and 3 cancel minus 2. Cube root of unity are the 1 comma omega square. So students, the first one is, how to write the first one students? First root is x minus 1 is the minus 2 plus 1. This is minus 1. After the one students, x minus 1 equal to minus 2 omega. X equal to minus 1 is the plus. After that students, x minus 1 equal to minus 2 omega square. X equal to students 1 minus 2 omega square. Write down students, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to -1 and x equal to 1 minus 2 omega and x equal to 1 minus 2 omega square. Okay students, this is today students. All of you practice these questions. At the same time, the weekend portion is the students up to today class, complex numbers and demoids. Okay students, thank you all.